According to the Britannica Cicada, family Cicadidae, family of more than 3,000 species of sound-producing insects. Cicadas are found in tropical and temperate areas worldwide and occur in deserts, grasslands, and forests. Cicadas have long been used in folk medicines, as religious and monetary symbols, and as an important source of food for humans and many other organisms. The cicada appears in the mythology, literature, and music of many cultures, including those of some indigenous peoples in the Americas, and the males of certain Asian species have even been kept in cages for their melodious songs. According to the Wikipedia, the cicadas are a superfamily, the Cicadoidea, of insects in the order Hemiptera, true bugs. They are in the suborder Auchenorrhyncha, along with smaller jumping bugs such as leafhoppers and froghoppers. The superfamily is divided into two families, the Tettigarctidae, with 2 species in Australia, and the Cicadidae, with more than 3,000 species described from around the world. Many species remain undescribed. Nearly all of cicada's species are annual cicadas with the exception of the few North American periodical cicada species, genus Magicicada, which in a given region emerge en masse every 13 or 17 years. Cicadas are also found in Nepal. In Nepal, cicada is known as Giaonkiri, which is well known in the society. Cicadas are found everywhere in Nepal. This sound and video of cicadas is recorded in the jungle of Shivapuri Nagarjun National Park, which is located in the north of capital city Kathmandu of Nepal.